Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about high-end favorites from Sephora that I discovered in 2024. I have in here some great products that I really enjoy, and I'm so happy that I bought them and they will become staples in my collection. First, we have the Benefit Primer. I am so impressed and so happy that I discovered something like this. I am wearing it on my skin today. It is the Porefessional Light Primer. I have a mini of it because, of course, I wanted to test it. But let me tell you, it's lovely. The thing with this one is that I need to have a hydrated base underneath. So I started with the NYX Marshmellow Primer, just hydrate my skin, and then I put this one in the middle. And it looks poreless and mattified, and it will wear incredible. So this is a nice primer, absolutely lovely, and I'm so happy that I tested something else because usually I do love hydrating primers and I still do, but from time to time something like this, a bit more pore filling and a bit more matte, it's really lovely. And the combo that I just absolutely love and I have on my skin right now, it is the Easy Blur on top of this one. So my skin is flawless right now. Of course, I do have some pimples and stuff like that. I don't care about those, but my skin is perfection in my opinion. This is the best foundation. I am so impressed. I'm so happy that I found it. I can't say how much I love this foundation because I was very disappointed with foundations and I just needed this one. It is blurring, but at the same time it's not dead matte. It is with niacinamide, so it is a bit hydrating, but at the same time it is flawless and it looks matte on the skin, but it doesn't feel matte, if that is a good description of it. I absolutely love it. The best discovery of this year. Next, for cheeks, I really did enjoy this one this year. It is the Fenty Hot Cheeks Velour Blush Light and I have the shade Fresh Peach. This is absolutely a great blush. Look at this shade. It's so beautiful and it is pigmented, but at the same time it's not too pigmented. It is actually matching my eyeshadow, but I'm not having this one on the cheeks. I absolutely love it. It is a beautiful blush. Can't recommend it enough. Even the packaging is Fenty. Sometimes it's just, look at this packaging. It is so beautiful and the packaging is good quality as well. I tested the Makeup by Mario formula this year and let me tell you, this is wonderful. It is a full matte palette, so I would have loved it even more if some shimmers were present, but it's stunning. It's so easy to blend, so pigmented, and overall a really good formula. So I understand the hype, the quality is there, and yeah, I can create multiple looks with this one and it is just, like I said, flawless, beautiful, and very easy to blend and to use. And another palette that I like even more and that I bought very randomly, I was like, I do like that color story, I want that palette, let's purchase it. It is the ABH Spice. I do like the ABH formula. In my opinion, it is a great formula for beginners, but for makeup lovers in general. It's stunning. And this palette is so beautiful, very easy to use. I took this one while traveling with me and it's stunning. You have some mattes with shimmers, which is a bit different, but they are blending so easily, and then you have this very dark brown that is so yummy, and then you have a row of very stunning shimmers that are those kind of shimmers that I absolutely love. those flaky shimmers, because they are not full opacity shimmers, but they look so diffused and so lovely on the eyes. Can't recommend this palette enough. It is not that expensive in my opinion, and it is so good quality. Let's talk about some lip products as well. I bought this one. It is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil, and for a bit I needed to stop myself to not use this one every day. It is very flattering and I absolutely love it. I did swatch the lip pencil kind of product from Makeup Forever, because that was the thing that I wanted to buy initially, but that one seemed a bit too creamy in my opinion. This is perfection. It is not too dry, but at the same time not too smeary. I absolutely love it. It is great. So I did discover it this year, even though it is not brand new. We have two glosses as well. This one is so beautiful, and this shade in particular, the shade Cocoa, this is from Haus Labs. It is the PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze. It looks so juicy on the lips, and this shade, it is the most wearable shade of brown. I absolutely love it, and this combo, so juicy, so yummy. I love it. And then another product that I bought very randomly, it is this gloss. It is the Milk Makeup Odyssey lip gloss. It is the Werk Trip shade. This looks so plush on the lips. It is a bit of a thicker formula, but it looks so juicy. Let me apply just a bit of this on top of the already existing lips. It looks so juicy and plumped and just stunning overall, so I needed to recommend this one as well. This was everything. I really like this product, and I'm happy that I discovered some really good ones this year. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.